is a special and important for Autostrada, for our new family member, because for us it's not a customer, it's a Ferrari family member, and it's a very special night to have this person here, Mr. Francis Miguel, and we hope to hear a lot of stories about you and your car, and I'm sure that this car will be a very big milestone in your life. So welcome one more time and enjoy the night.
Thank you.
Grabe dito.
Alright.
Turn over the key.
Thank you. Picture.
Picture.
Grabe. Saksi kami dito. We're so privileged. In-invite kami dito ni Sir Francis para makita namin yung paglabas niya ng Ferrari niya para alam na namin gagawin namin sa susunod na kami nang maglayas.
Yan. Yes! Wow! Woo! Yo!
Siyempre, dapat lagi kinauna ako sa kabila, ako first.
Pearl. Patahimik kayo.
Pwede ka nang sumakay.
Nagbibideo pa kayo.
Yun! Woo!
Stop that.
Wow!
Kahit pala hindi yung maano, no? Saan ako sasakay dito? Ganda.
Grabe naman yung kakapaling. Another kabayo na naman. Sobra.
Ano, may sakit ka ba?
Parang nawawala yung sakit ko. Nakalimutan ko yung sakit ko.
Siyempre, ako mawalang pasero. Konting message lang.
This is it. It's a dream come true. I'm 40 years old, so it's a reality. A dream became a reality. Now you see, later you don't. Woo! Yes! Lalapit ko, ha?
Guys, grabe! Ito ang mundo ng networking. Ito ang mundo ng AIM Global. Woo! Tunog pa lang! Woo! Woo! For now, guys, siguro, isa na lang message ko sa inyo. Gawin nyo lang yung dapat nyo gawin. For sure, there will come a point in your life. Susunod, kayo naman yung binibideo. Kayo naman nagkukwento ng success stories nyo. Again, this is Joseph Lim. Good morning po and happy networking to all.